Are you looking for an efficient way to garden? Imagine growing more in less space. Square foot gardening is perfect for small areas and beginners. Let's dive into how to create your own square foot garden. To begin your journey, first gather your essential tools. You will need a raised bed frame to define your garden's boundaries, high-quality soil mix for nutrient-rich planting, and measuring tape to help with accurate measurements. Don't skimp on hand tools, such as a trowel for digging, a rake for leveling soil, and a watering can to keep your plants hydrated. Additionally, investing in a garden planner app can assist with layout, while gloves will protect your hands from the elements. Next, you'll want to select the perfect spot for your garden. Aim for a sunny area where sunlight shines for at least 6 hours each day, as this will promote healthy plant growth and maximize yields. Once you've found that ideal location, it's time to construct your raised bed frame. Most gardeners find that a 4 foot by 4 foot dimension strikes a balance between space and accessibility, ensuring you can tend to your plants from all sides with ease. After securing your frame, it's time to fill it with the right soil mixture. Aim for a blend consisting of equal parts soil, compost, and peat moss. This combination creates a nutrient-rich environment where your plants can thrive, ensuring they receive the essential elements for healthy growth. Carefully layer this mix into your raised bed, distributing it evenly to create a level surface. Once filled, take your measuring tape again to divide the bed into neat square sections, marking each one at 1 foot intervals. Each square will soon become a delightful patch for a variety of plants, increasing your harvest potential. As you embark on this gardening adventure, it's essential to be mindful of some drawbacks associated with square foot gardening. While the initial setup may seem daunting, requiring effort in planning, building, and filling the raised bed, it's a labor of love for the abundance it can yield. Remember, consistency is key. Without regular watering, your plants might struggle to flourish. A well-maintained garden thrives on attention, so be prepared to nurture it diligently. Still, the rewards of a colorful, bountiful garden can outweigh these challenges. Now, let's explore how combining this method with back-to-Eden techniques can elevate your gardening game while simultaneously addressing some of these concerns. Incorporating wood chips into your gardening strategy enhances not only moisture retention but also enriches the soil over time. As you layer these chips on top of your soil mix, they will break down slowly, providing a continuous source of nutrients. This technique not only minimizes the frequency of watering but also aids in weed suppression, making your square foot garden even easier to maintain. Your plants will thrive with this added support. In conclusion, square foot gardening, when combined with back-to-Eden methods, presents a sustainable and efficient way to cultivate your own thriving garden. With thoughtful planning and care, you can enjoy a flourishing patch of fruits, vegetables and herbs right in your own backyard. Ready to start your square foot garden? Grab your tools and get growing. Subscribe to this channel, the Gardening Channel, for more gardening tips and tricks and how-to guides. Happy gardening!